So another guy that cannot leave alone. And all of a sudden the lead swings back to the San Miguel Deermen.
That's the first basket for Tiongson here in this game. And what a shot there, a three-pointer.
The question is, if you're TNT, how long do you stay in that zone? They have been abusing that zone.
Yep.
RR. Take it over to the corner. Glencoe Ponte. Now to Calvin Octana. Octana against Rondial. Short shot clock. He's got to go. Calvin?
Yes.
Dumps to home.
The ability to be able to break that defense, and he's able to beat that shot clock as well with the penetration.
You know, the gift of Calvin Octana is that he has such a tight handle for something that size. A swaggy shot clock is a
Back-to-back threes there by Tiongson. You have to really mark this guy because once he gets it, you know, he's a streak shooter. He'll be able to get a couple of those.
And Ciso. Now to Octana.